पंचामृता के सारे प्रोडक्ट्स जो खाने में पौष्टिक तत्व की कमी को भर देते हैं। आई सर्टिफाइड, वेयर फूड इज फोर्टिफाइड।
नमस्कार. आयच्या डिबेटात तुमकां सगळ्यांक येवकार. आनी आयचो विशय ऑब्वियसली हा काँग्रेसीचो की काँग्रेसीक नवीन प्रदेशाध्यक्ष मेळ्ळा. हे जे नवीन प्रदेशाध्यक्ष मेळ्ळा तातूंतल्यान नवीन कितें जातलें काय सगळें येरे मजा मागल्या. आनी काँग्रेसीचे फॉर्च्यून्स जे आसात ते तुगेले गिरीश चोडणकर चेंज करपाक शकता काय कितें, ह्या विशयाची आमी आज भासाभास करता. आनी 3 मानेस्त आसा म्हजे बरोबर. पयले स्टुडियो भितर म्हजे बरोबर आसात गिरीश बाब चोडणकर हांचे खंदे समर्थक सिद्धनाथ बाब बुयाव. सिद्धनाथ बाब वेलकम. ऑनलायन म्हाका जॉइन जातात गिरीश बाब चोडणकराचे सारके खंदे विरोधक म्हणपाक शकता हांव, ते एडवोकेट राधाराव ग्रासियस. आनी तिसरे म्हाका दिसता हाका आमी तांकां न्यूट्रल म्हूण अशें आपयल्यात ते क्लियोफास बाब कुतेन. सो अशे 3 म्हजें काम आज भरपूर कमी आहा, कारण म्हाका दिसता विशय असो आसा की आमी सोशल मिडियाचेर सगळ्यांनी एकमेकाचेर कितले फार मारल्या ते पळयात. आज तुगेले ते फार खंय पावतात तेय आमी पळयतले. पण हांव सुरवात क्लियोफास बाब तुमचे कडच्यान करता. वॉट इज दीस न्यू वायन इन अ ओल्ड बॉटल, ओल्ड वायन इन अ ओल्ड बॉटल, काय ओल्ड वायन इन अ न्यू बॉटल, कितें हें?
सी, लेट अस लुक एट इट व्हेरी क्लियरली.
हय,
आमी लास्ट टाइम तुगेल स्टुडियो आशिल्ले
हय,
एट द टाइम ऑफ जिल्हा इलेक्शन्स.
हय,
आणि आम्ही तुका सांगिल्ले that the Congress party has 2 parties, the legislature party and the executive party. They are functioning differently म्हणून. आणि त्याच फाटल्यान पळय जायत the legislature party and the executive party, the president and the LOP were in different directions. They were almost not in talking terms. A party cannot function like this. Magir, secondly, there are always groups in a party, particularly the Congress party. Anik जे groupak power meta, there is always resentment. Let us look at when Amit Patkar was appointed. There was also a lot of resentment because he was new in the party. The old timers did not like it. The old timers felt that he does not know the history of our party. अशा लोकांक दिसतालें. But कितें जाल्लें, तो भुरगो आहा, he will learn. Elections are 5 years away. So all that was taken into consideration and people kept quiet. But आता कितें जाला, now it is real struggle for power. Real struggle for power because elections are about 6 to 8 months away.
yeah,
And who will be in a position to distribute the tickets appear to be the problem. Not who is the GPCC president. Who will have the final say in the tickets is the problem.
तुम्ही म्हणतात हेच जर 2 वर्सां पयलीं जाल्लें हो बोवा जायनाशिल्लो.
जायनाशिल्लो. पूण जात कितें?
हय,
Let us look at it this way. Girish, currently appointed, is not a star campaigner. But he is some sort of a coordinator for the party. Girish is a loyal soldier of the party. And the party, according to me, hardly exists in organization terms. Congress brand is a worn-out brand in Goa, though it exists. It has a over 20% vote share. And 20% vote share before an election is a huge vote share. Now, how this vote share will be taken by which candidates is the issue. Now, there is a lot of talk about no consultation. Who was consulted when Amit Patkar was appointed? Secondly, this time, if you look at it, आणि सगळे आम्ही पळयले जाय हितू अशें दिसता की there was consultation, there were candidates. In fact, all reports say that a South Goa MP was also a contender. So if you look at the various ways people are talking, consultation ashille. But finally we know how high command functions.
Correct.
whether it's the Congress party or now BJP, the BJP in appointing the chief ministers are almost undemocratic when it comes to election of, appointment of chief ministers.
Correct.
As far as parties are concerned, once there is a high command function culture, PCC presidents are bound to be elected or selected this way.
या म्हाका राधा बाब तुम्ही हे सिलेक्शन स्लॅश इलेक्शन जावचे पयलीं सावन तुम्ही सारके वॉर्निंग बेल्स वाजयताले यू आतां लोकसभे टायमारूय तुम्ही वॉर्निंग बेल्स वाजयल्ल्यो तेन्ना तुमकां जाय तशें जालें आतां तुम्ही वॉर्निंग बेल्स वाजयल्ल्यो तुमकां जाय तशें जालें ना वाय आर यू सो पेसिमिस्टीक दॅट कांयच जावचें ना म्हणून
See what happens, as
Yeah.
Cleopa has said, Congress vote base is around 20%.
Hmm.
And to win an election, they have to more than double it. Now, the Congress itself, in the last assembly election, they had gone under the presidency of Girish Todan.
Hmm.
Now, the Congress was routed in those elections. It was the worst Congress electoral performance in Goa since 1972, I would say, or 1977. So the president resigned, admitting that, at least acknowledging that he was at fault. Fair enough. Now, they brought in Amit Patkar. I hold no brief for him. I am not saying he was successful or unsuccessful. It is for the Congress to decide. They felt that he had to be removed. Fair enough. I was told somewhere along the way, at least Cleopa said that in the interview, that he had to be removed or he was removed because of the poor performance of the Congress in the Zilla Panchayat election. Fair enough. It is for the party to decide. Performance was bad in the Zilla Panchayat election. You remove Amit Patkar. Fair enough. First, Girish Chodankar goes because the Congress was routed in the election under his presidency. Then Amit Patkar goes because Congress was performed badly. How do you bring back the man under whom Congress was routed? I can understand that Amit Patkar is not good enough. You have to move forward. You don't go backward and bring in someone who was replaced by Patkar because he had failed. So that is my contention is the Congress has to go forward, bring in someone new, and the public also sees actually the Congress is up to something new. And new man has come and we will take a new direction. That is the way I would look at it. To follow.
Yeah.
So essentially the problem is, no, you are asking something.
नो मुगेल राधाबाब एकच आसा की पॉलिटिकल सिच्युएशन ऑल्सो हॅज चेंज्ड
Yes.
BJP is in its third term, coming to the end of their third term. There is lot of discontent, anti-incumbency. अशी टायमार तुमकां दिसना की इवन इफ गिरीश कम्स देर कॅन बी द एंड रिजल्ट कॅन बी डिफरंट और इट्स गोइंग टू बी द सेम म्हणटा तुमी.
No, what I'm trying to say is the situation is right to push the BJP out. They are on the edge of the cliff. All that is needed is a push. And for that, the Congress being the principal party here, and despite all my objections with most of the time, in last Lok Sabha election, I vehemently worked for them. Everybody knows that. Simply because I did not want the BJP to come back. I felt that it is time for the BJP to be kicked out. And I feel the same now. But feeling the same, I would also expect the Congress to give us a good candidate, a good president, acceptable to the general public, and create a perception that the Congress can push the BJP out. My considered feeling is that Girish doesn't give that sort of image that he's someone who can push the Congress out. I have no problem personally with Girish, but my difficulty is that I do not see him as a leader at this
You
moment.
can challenge the present dispensation म्हणटा तुमी.
Exactly. We
Okay.
need someone brand new who will bring in something new
Right.
and take the advantage of the situation to push the BJP out.
Yeah.
That's my
सिद्धनाथ बाब रिस्पॉन्ड टू दॅट ते म्हणटात की जर तुमकां अमित पाटकार नाका आशिल्लो यू शुड हॅव मूव्ड फॉरवर्ड वाय मूव बॅकवर्ड आनी वॉट डू यू थिंक गिरीश कॅन डू नाव दॅट ही कुड नॉट डू इन 2022.
म्हाका दिसता 2022 आमी वचचेच न्ही, तें कितें जालें तें जालें, जावन गेलें. पूण हांव राधा बाबा कडेन मान्य करना की एक न्यू फेस येवन कितें बरें करपाक शकतालो म्हणून. काँग्रेस हायकमांड जी आसा ताणें गिरीश चोडणकरा बद्दल कितें तरी पळयलां आसतलें गेल्ली 4 वर्सां आनी ताका लागून परतो हांगा हाडला आसतलो. आनी आतां जे फंक्शनींग आसा इज ऑल्सो ए न्यू फेस. तो नवोच आयिल्लो काँग्रेसीन आनी ताका अध्यक्ष केला आनी तांचेंय फंक्शनींग पळयलां जाल्यार तुवें उदोळ म्हणलांच लेजिस्लेटीव विंग आनी पार्टी पॉलिटिकल विंग जेल जायना आशिल्ली म्हणून. सो तें सगळें पळोवन गिरीशाक परतो हाडला आसतलो हायकमांडान. आतां आमी मातशें फाटल्यान या. राधा बाबान म्हणलें की गिरीश स्वता रिजायन जालो, बरोबर, ताणें आपल्याचेर घेतलें तें आनी तो रिजायन जालो. पूण ताजे नंतर गिरीशान कितें केलें? आतां खुबशें आसता गिरीश हरलो, हांगा हें जालें तें जालें, गिरीशाक विक्ट्री ना म्हणून. पूण म्हाका एक सांगपा जाय, गिरीश पयलीं गेलो तेलंगना सरकार जालें, घडलें. मागीर गिरीशाक घालो स्क्रिनींग कमिटीचो चेअरमॅन केलो झारखंड. थंय 2 सीट एक्स्ट्रा आयले, थंय सरकार जालें, थंय काँग्रेसीचे 16 सीट आयले. मागीर पार्लमेंटाक नॉर्थ इस्टाक घालो, थंय 4 3 सीट आयले. आनी नागालँडान तर आशिल्ले थंय काँग्रेसीचे MP पसून MLAs पसून नाशिल्ले, थंय 1 सीट आयलो. आनी सिक्कीम येवना, मणिपुराक 2 सीट आयले. ताजे नंतर तामिळनाडू आनी पोंडिचेरी पावले आमी. आतां खूब जाणांची आसा 17 सिटां वयल्यान 5 सिटाचेर आयले आनी ताजी विक्ट्री कसली काय म्हणून. पूण थंय कितें घडलां आनी कितें घडूं ना तो एज अ इन्चार्ज तें सगळ्यांक खबर नासता. आनी जें थंय एक नवे फेस वारें आयलें, ते वाऱ्या बरोबर आमकांय वचपा जाय आशिल्लें, पूण तें जालें ना, शक्य जालें ना. पूण गिरीशान ताजे नंतरचो स्टेप घेतलो सरकार करपाचो आनी सरकारा भितर सामील जावपा. आनी 60 वर्सांनी आमकां थंय 2 मिनिस्ट्री मेळ्ळी. आनी कालच परतें सांगपा म्हळ्यार 60 वर्सांनी आमकां राज्यसभा आनी 3रो राज्यसभा सीट मेळ्ळो थंय. सो हे सगळे जे गिरीशाची कॅपेबिलिटीज आसात. तुवें उदोळ एक म्हणलें की ओल्ड वायन आनी न्यू बॉटल काय न्यू बॉटल ओल्ड वायन. हांव अशें म्हणलें की ओल्ड वायन, आनी जितली वायन ओल्ड उरता तितली मॅच्युअर जाता. आनी मॅच्युरिटी म्हणल्यार कितें? एक्सपिरियन्स. पार्टी चलोवपाक नवो फेस आयले म्हणून जायना, एक्सपिरियन्सूय जाय. ग्रावंड लेवल वचपाक, बूथ लेवलाचेर काम करपा जाय आनी एक्सपिरियन्सूय जाय. आनी तें म्हाका दिसता गिरीशा कडेन आसा आनी गिरीश पार्टी ह्या फावटी फुडें व्हरतलो.
ह्याच मुद्द्याचेर क्लियरफात बाबा मारा वता. क्लियरफात, डू यू अग्री दॅट गिरीश चोडणकर, अ मॅन हू कॅनॉट वीन इलेक्शन्स, तो फाटली 4 वर्सां भितर अ मॅन हू हॅज ब्रॉट गव्हर्मेंट्स टू पावर, हें जें इम्प्रेशन सिद्धनाथ बाब सांगता ताजे कडेन तुमी क्लियरफात बाब एग्री जातात?
Before answering your question,
हय,
your masked headline was whether fortunes of Congress party depend on Girish.
yeah, whether
I think that
Girish
is what
can
you
change
said.
the fortunes of Congress party.
Yeah, whether Girish can change the fortunes of Congress
Yeah.
party. According to me, fortunes of Congress party can change only if the Congress party itself stand together and they are in alliance with all groups and they are in a position to put up a 1-to-1 fight against BJP. Secondly, I would like to answer another question. See, Radha said that in 2013 they were routed. 2022 they were routed and that was the worst performance. 2022 was a very good performance. They had 1 MLA and they had increased it to 13. But unfortunately they could not form the government. But forming the government does not mean that they are routed. 1. Number 2, that was an election where there was TMC. TMC took a substantial almost 10% vote and they took their star also losing along with them. So in such a situation, to get 13 seats is not a rout. Before that in 2017, their performance was also good. It was 17, it was almost 17, 18 seats with Rowan County. So you can't say, but they could not form the government due to political machination by the other side, which proved to be much better than the Congress party. So this is where it is. Coming to your question, see, Girish is always close to the Congress High Command. I would say he knows how the party functions. And if I say that he is their blue-eyed boy, nothing wrong in it. But see, all these...
Siddharth Bab is making a point that he is saying the blue-eyed boy has delivered over the last 4 years.
The blue-eyed boy has delivered...
For which he has been criticized before.
I am saying that. I'm coming to that. I'm saying that in Jharkhand, in places where he has said, these are places where alliances were built. And at least the Lok Sabha election where there was substantial increase in some seat Northeast, again it was the India bloc at that time. So according to me, Congress depends right now on alliances, how to build alliances. And Girish will have to perform himself on alliances, on how he brings everybody on table. And the first part of this would be how he firefights the resentment against his appointment. That would be his first test. I would say, and I would admit what Radha says to some extent, there is a lot of resentment, particularly in Salsette. But that is what Girish will have to firefight. And the Congress party will have to firefight and show that this is the way forward. What is the way forward will have to be
Yeah. No,
shown by him.
we'll come to
There is
that.
6 months time,
Yeah.
6 to 8 months time. Even Vijay performed within 6 to 8 months time in Tamil Nadu. 6 to 8 months is time enough. Of course, you can't build an organization in 6 months. It is difficult to build an organization. That should have been done 5 years back.
Okay.
But there is a time to see to it with whom you will be sitting with.
करेक्ट
the alliance.
आम्ही येऊया ह्याही मुद्द्याचेर बट राधा बाब हो जो आर्ग्युमेंट आसा सिद्धनाथ बाब घालता तो की दिस इज गिरीश 2.0 गिरीश हू नोज हाऊ टू विन इलेक्शन्स जाका लागून आमी गिरीशाक क्रिटिसायज करताले की गिरीश डजंट नो हाऊ टू विन इलेक्शन्स म्हणून ही सेज 4 years डावन द लायन हियर इज अ मॅन हू नोज हाऊ टू विन इलेक्शन्स डू यू अग्री विथ दॅट और डिसएग्री विथ दॅट
If Siddhanath says that Girish won elections here and there, now he merely went there as observer when elections were announced. Now, if that is responsible for winning the election, I would suggest that Girish should also have been made observer for Goa and someone else as president, so that he observes and Goa wins the election. Congress wins the election. That is the way it should have been. Now, you see, Siddhanath has said that it is wine matures when you put from one bottle to another one. That is not correct. For wine to mature, it has to be retained in a barrel. It never matures in a bottle. You put old wine from an old bottle to a new bottle, it doesn't mature. That is the rule. The problem here is this is not wine. It is sur which is put in the bottle. And when you put sur from one bottle to another one, it becomes vinagre. And that becomes very sour. You understand what I'm saying?
Sure.
Now, I object or I differ with Cleophas that Congress had only one seat. Congress has never won only one seat in the last 30 years. After 1980, they had won 17 seats in 2012 or 2017. They lost the seats through defections. But the Congress vote base was there. So it is incorrect to say that from one seat they came to 11 or 13 seats. Absolutely incorrect. The Congress had won. The Congress could not hold their MLAs together. That is what I'm saying. Now, I would want to go again to see it is not important merely to win the seats. The Congress in 2012 or 2017, in defections, they lost 2/3 of our MLAs.
Yeah.
11 seats.
In 17 when they had
No, they lost 11 MLAs.
11 MLAs. Now what happens is, once you have lost 11, the next election, you have to be careful. Now, last time, Congress won 11, I think. They won 11 seats.
Yeah.
Out of which they have lost 8. Only they are left with 3 now. 8 have defected. Now, who is responsible for this? The president was Girish Naik, Girish Chodhankar. Now, I am not saying you could have gone inside those fellow states. But the problem is when you distribute tickets, you should be cautious and careful to see what sort of men you are giving. They are waiting at the last moment, give tickets to whoever they say is in a winning position. And this is what happens. Most of these candidates openly said, we did not win because of Congress. We won because of our own popularity, because we were winnable. So my feeling is that this time around, the Congress must start now, create their own candidates who will win as Congress people, who can't go out and say that I won because of my popularity. Because once you get such men elected, they run away. And
Okay.
I fear that the same thing is happening now. And I will
Okay.
tell you why I am saying this.
Ah.
From what I am told, what I gather from my own sources, the former Bormoga MLA, who's that?
Milind Naik.
Milind Naik.
Yeah.
Then another Naik in Mormugam, former municipal president.
Yeah.
Someone like that. Then Amit Palekar. Then from Sioli, Mandreka. They are almost assured of ticket because of their links with with their caste group. This is what I'm told. Like, this is the way to distribute tickets. Even if they win, they will run away. So my clear demand is that the Congress should start now, hold constituency conventions, shortlist candidates, and get them to convince them, the voters, that these are going to be candidates. That last moment will not come up with candidates.
Okay. Maka Siddharth Babu.
No, but I think Radha is come to a situation where Girish is okay, but let us do the ticket distribution properly.
Well, Girish is
correct, Radha?
capable of doing that. I have no issues. But I don't think he's capable. I think there are other factors at work. That is why I'm critical.
नाही राधा बाबाचो प्रॉब्लेम म्हणतो राधा म्हणतो एक नंबरचो कास्टिस्ट मनीस सारको तो केन्ना हिंदू क्रिस्तांव केन्ना भंडारी बामण केन्ना बामण आनी कोण अशें करपा सामको हुशार आतां ताणें कितें म्हणलें की मुरगांव मिलिंद नायक आनी खंय मांद्रेकार आतां टिकेट अजून 8 म्हयने उरल्या CEC जातली PEC जातली सेंट्रल इलेक्शन कमिटी जातली स्क्रिनींग कमिटी जातली सगळें ते डिसायड करतले
पण एक आस न्ही सिद्धनाथ बाब जो मुद्दो राधा बाबान काढलो राधा बाब एकच मिनिट राधा बाबांचो इश्यू काढलो पळय.
But I agree with Radha on one point that the ticket distribution has to be done well in advance.
ओके हांव हाजीर येता राधा बाबांचो मुद्दो काडलो न्ही सिद्धनाथ बाब देर आर 2 इश्यूज. नंबर 1 जो क्लियोफास बाबान काडलो की तुमचें ऑर्गनायझेशन काय जाग्यार ना खंयच तें ऑर्गनायझेशन दिसना अशी परिस्थिती भितर तुमकां यू आर गोईंग टू बॅक टू द पीपल ऑन अ बॅकड्रॉप ऑफ 2/3 डिफेक्शन्स. थंय लोक म्हणटले की बाबा आतां फाटले खेपे गिरीश आशिल्लो तेन्नाय तुमचे 2/3 डिफेक्शन जालें. तुमी तर वचून सगळे देवळांनी चर्चींनी मशिदींनी सारके सेक्युलर सोपूत घेतिल्ले सगळे देवांची सोपूत घेतिल्ले एफिडेविट घेतिल्ली. आतां तुमी लोकांक कितें सांगतले की परत हें घडचें ना म्हणून बिकॉज अगेन द सेम मॅन इज द प्रेसिडेंट. युअर कॅन्डिडेट्स आर स्टील नॉट क्लियर. BJP's candidates are more or less certain in at least 70 to 80% constituencies. How are you going to convince people with the same face and the same president? सिद्धनाथ बाब
नाही हांव तेंच सांगपाक सोदतां राधा बाब बरो आदोगादी म्हणून जाणाव ताणें तें हांवें म्हणलें वायन तीच वायन न्यू बॉटल ताणें तें लिटरल मिनींग घेतलें की म्हजो अर्थ आशिल्लो की एक्सपिरियन्स मनीस आयला परतो जो ग्रास रूट लेवलाचेर वचून जाका यूथ काँग्रेस NSUI यूथ काँग्रेस ते सगळीं पदां ताणें घेतिल्लो आनी ताका ग्रास रूट लेवल म्हणटा कितें खबर आसा वेगवेगळ्या राज्यांनी वचून ताणें आतां काम पळयल्लें आसा. तिकेट दिवपाचें पसून काम केल्लें आसा स्क्रिनींग कमिटीचो चेअरमॅन जावन. लेटस्ट म्हणल्यार तमिळनाडू आनी पॉंडिचेरी ताणें काम पळयल्लें आसा सगळे तरेचें. आनी म्हाका दिसता जरी राधा बाबान सूर म्हणलो जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता सूर ताणें एखादें म्हणलो आसतलो पूण डेफिनेटली ह्या टायमाक गिरीशाक तो सूर लागतलो लोकां म्हऱ्यान वचपाचो आनी हें सरकार उडोवपाचें.
म्हज्या प्रश्नाचें उत्तर दिया. ह्या खेपे लोकांनी तुमी गिरीशाचो एक्सपिरियन्स म्हणटात हांव लोकांचो एक्सपिरियन्स विचारतां. लोकांचो एक्सपिरियन्स सध्या काँग्रेसी विशीं भयानक आसा. लोक निवडून दितात तुमचे आमदार वतात. सेम प्रेसिडेंटा अंडर लोकांनी निवडून दिले तुमचे आमदार गेले. तुमी सगळे देवळांनी मशिदींनी वचून सोपूत घेतले चर्चींनी वचून सोपूत घेतले आमदार गेले. ह्या खेपेक तुमी कितें तरी वेगळी करतले कारण अजून मेरेन तर तुमचे 40 कॅन्डिडेट आमकां क्लियर ना.
नाही तसो 2018 जेन्ना जाल्लें तेन्ना 17 तेन्नाय गेल्ले फुटून लिडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशनच गेल्लो तेन्ना लुईजिन फालेरो आशिल्लो.
दोन्ही फावटी तुमचो लिडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन गेला.
हय तेन्ना लुईजिन फालेरो आशिल्लो.
लुईजिन फालेरोय गेलो.
तोय गेलो.
मतदार म्हणून आमी विश्वास कसो दवरप तुमचेर.
नाही डेफिनेटली मतदाराक खंय तरी एक खंत भोगतलीच. पूण आज जें गोंयान चल्लां जें गेल्लीं 15 वर्सां जें चल्लां गोंयान जें हे भारतीय जनता पक्षाचेर आमचे काळ म्हणटा ताका हांव काळ हाडिल्लो आसा ते काळ जे हाडिल्लो तांणी तो प्रत्येक गोंयकाराक लागता. तो काळजाक लागता कितें चल्लां ह्या गोंयान आज खंयचेय आमी इशू घेतले जाल्यार पसून काल आमी कालचो मुद्दो घेवया. काल तांचे स्वताचेच एक मंत्री एक आमदार तांचेच डिपार्टमेंटाचेर तांच्याच मंत्र्याचेर उलयल्ले आसात. सो तांचे भितरच झगडी चालू आसात आनी लोक पळयता जनता पळयता गोंयची. आनी म्हाका दिसता डेफिनेटली सर्टनली गिरीश चोडणकर ह्या टायमार एक बरो लिडर म्हणून मुखार सरतलो लोकांक घेवन मुखार सरतलो. आमी युनायटेड काँग्रेस म्हणून ते फुडें सरतले आनी भारतीय जनता पक्षाक जरूर हरयतले.
क्लियोफास बाब डू यू अग्री की सिद्धनाथ बाब जे सांगता इज दॅट इनफ टू कन्विन्स पीपल टू वोट फॉर काँग्रेस?
See, the two mass defections
हय
has dented their credibility. That is one. But at the same time, Siddhnath Bab सांगता सारकें that the resentment is very high. There's a huge anti-incumbency. I think if they stand together, if all stand together, and the grouping is such that they can prove to the people that we are in a position to give you a government of 21. That we are possible, it is possible for us to give us 21. Give us this chance. Possibly in that case, people will consider them in a one-to-one fight, because I feel that there is a high chance of throwing out the BJP if there is a.
But
the
one-to-one fight is a
comes together
reality.
And present a
One-to-one
good
fight,
coalition to the people.
Cleophas,
But if the
one-to-one
people
fight.
get a feeling,
Yeah,
if the people get a feeling
yeah.
that they are unable to form the government, then I don't think people will trust them.
Yeah.
This number 21 is very important. How they will strike at number 21.
राधा बाब म्हाका मुद्दाम हाजेरूच सांगात, तुमकां दिसता की लोक आज विश्वास दवरपाक शकतात ह्या नरेटिवाचेर, ऑल्दो देर इज अ रिसेंटमेंट, ऑल्दो देर इज लोक सामके पिकार आसात, लोक विश्वास दवरपाक शकतात?
Pramod, before I answer your question, I will have to answer the allegations made against me personally by Siddharth.
Okay.
First, what happened? I do not dispute that Girish is experienced. And in Goa, our experience with him is, as president of the Congress, he lost the election. And the MLAs he selected defected en masse. This is our experience. Now, other experience, I don't know. Now, I was accused of being caste and communal. I will give you an example. You see, during the last Lok Sabha election, Sidnath Bhuyan and many others from Margam, Sidnath and I had a discussion on this, wanted Girish to be the South Goa candidate. And I openly said, and I told him also, that in Goa, historically, both communities got representation to the Lok Sabha. The South Congress always fielded a Catholic and North a Hindu or BJP, whatever. And then there is one Rajya Sabha seat, which is already filled by a Hindu. North Goa seat is virtually BJP is Ripadnai. And if you give to Girish in the South, we get no representation. The Catholics get no representation. I was clearly expressing the view of my community. Now, I was told that the Catholics are now no longer a majority in South Goa. This was Sidnath's contention. And Girish will bring some 10-15% of the Bandari vote. And therefore, Congress can win. Now, I said, if Catholics with our bulk vote cannot get a seat, then why should we vote for the Congress? And that is why I had made it very clear that on media, that in case the Congress denies a seat to the Catholic, as it has always been, I will contest as independent. Because I felt that it is an insult to my community by the Congress, despite overwhelming support to that party. And fortunately, it was Amit Patkar and Yuri Alemão who had a fight with the Congress in Delhi, from what I learned. Finally, Sonia Gandhi intervened and told them, if the party president and if the leader of opposition are confident that they can get Captain Viriatu elected, they gave him the ticket. And it was Captain Viriatu who united all Goans, including opponents of the Congress like me, to support him. If it was Girish, Congress would have lost outright, simply because the Catholics would have felt that we have been taken for a ride. Now, when I express the views of my community and demand, I become caste and communal. When Girish Todankar is projected as Bandari face, that's all right. No one becomes caste. You see, the whole problem is anyone who represents his community becomes communal. I carry them. I have always been representing. I may not be officially representing, but my views are reflective of the demands and aspirations of the Catholic community.
ना दोतोर तुवेंच म्हणलं आता की मोरगांव तुवें म्हणलें, तुवें सांताक्रूज म्हणलें, अमित पालेकार म्हणलो तुवें मिलिंद नायक म्हणलो, तुवें दयानंद मांद्रेकर म्हणलो, हें कितें? हे तूं आनी तूं मुद्दा म्हणटा गिरीश चोडणकर म्हणना, तूं गिरीश नायक म्हणटा तूं, कित्याक?
Let us see when the tickets come.
हय पळोवया न्ही.
ओके, म्हाका सिद्धार्थ बाब सांगा, लेट्स कम टू द सेम इश्यू दॅट राधा बाब रेज्ड. राधा बाब जो इश्यू काडटा की फायनली ते म्हणटात की रिप्रेझेंटेशन सगळे कम्युनिटीक दिवपाक जाय, ते सोशल इंजिनियरींग जावपाक जाय, बट इव्हेंच्युअली लोकांक विश्वास बसपाक जाय न्ही की हे जे सोशल इंजिनियरींग करून तुमी जे तिकेटी दितले ते फायनली तुमचे बरोबर रावतले म्हणून. नंबर 1 पयलीं मेळत तो विश्वास आनी मागीर तो इलेक्शन जिखपाचो विश्वास. आज सिद्धनाथ बाब जेन्युइनली विचारता, तुमकां दिसता की ऑन ग्राउंड काँग्रेसीचे जे तुगेले ऑर्गनायजेशन आसा ताची परिस्थिती इलेक्शन झगडपाची आसा?
हांव तुजें मान्य करता. आयची घडयेक तेच म्हणटा, ताका लागून गिरीश चोडणकर हाका हायकमांडान
आनी ते 6 म्हयन्या भितर जावपाक शकता.
आयची घडयेक ते नासत, पूण हांव गिरीश चोडणकराक वळखता. तो मनीस असो की पूर्ण वेळ पार्टी खातीर दिवन गोंयभर भोंवून हे जे लढो आसा, म्हाका दिसता आमी अशें म्हणपा जाता की हें लास्ट इलेक्शन म्हणल्यार आतां 15 वर्सां जाली भारतीय जनता पक्ष हांगा आसा, गोंय सोंपयता. जर आमी सगळे बरोबर
हो प्रश्न गिरीशाक विचारिल्लो
हय.
आनी हांव तुकाय विचारता. प्रत्येक खेपेक लोक हांगा येतात आनी म्हाका एक आर्ग्युमेंट आयकून, आनी आमी खूब फावटी मिडिया म्हण म्हणटात की देर इज लॉट ऑफ पब्लीक रिसेंटमेंट, देर इज लॉट ऑफ डिससॅटिस्फॅक्शन. पण तुमी जर इलेक्शन पयलीं, इलेक्शन आफ्टर इलेक्शन, ती मागीर लोकल सेल्फ गव्हर्निंग बॉडीची आसूं, असेंब्ली आसूं, लोकसभा आसूं, बीजेपी कंटिन्युअसली जिखत आसा. सो हे रिसेंटमेंट आशिल्ले लोक खंय गेले? इतलो जर रिसेंटमेंट आसा, बीजेपी इलेक्शन हरपाय न्ही खंयची तरी.
इलेक्शन येता
ते जिखत आहात ते. आणि प्रत्येक मनीस म्हणटा देर इज लॉट ऑफ डिससॅटिस्फॅक्शन. आमी म्हणटात खूब फावटी दॅट देर इज लॉट ऑफ रिसेंटमेंट बी म्हणून.
नाही प्रमोद बाब, तुम्ही लास्ट टाइम तुम्ही पळयला आसतलें, तुम्ही एक पत्रकार, आरजीपी म्हणून एक पार्टी आयली, तुम्ही म्हणले तशें टीएमसी आयली, 10% वोट घेवन गेली, 8% 10%. आज लोकांक ते पटला, ही पार्टी ज्यो येतात ह्यो फोडपा खातीर येतात म्हणून, आनी हांकां कोण तरी फुडें काडटात तेवटेंतल्यान आनी हे फोडपा खातीर येता. पूण आज ते गोंयकारांक कळ्ळां आनी ताका लागून गोंयकारांक काँग्रेसी बद्दल पर्याय ना. भारतीय जनता पक्षाक
बाब म्हणटात पळय 1 to 1 जावपा जाय म्हण, ते आज जावप शक्य
शक्य
तुम्ही
आसा.
आम आदमी पार्टी बरोबर तुम्ही आम आदमी पार्टी बरोबर अलायन्स करतले?
ना त्या पार्टीचो कॉल कितें आसता ते हांव हांगा तुज्या स्टुडियोन बसून हांव
1
उलोवपाक
to
शकना,
1
हांव
जर
स्वता
जावपाक
उलोवपाक
जाय
शकना.
ना, ते बरोबर. बट 1 to 1 जर जावपा जाय सिद्धनाथ बाब, जाल्यार हे सगळे जाण एकठांय येवची
तशें
पडटलीं.
कितलेशेच फॅक्टर आसा. गोवा फॉरवर्ड आसा, अलायन्साचे आसा, आनी तुवें म्हणले तशे प्रमाणे आम आदमीचे आसा. सो ते पार्टी हॅज टू डिसायड. गिरीश चोडणकरान ऑलरेडी डिक्लेअर केल्लें आसा की आमी डिफेक्टराक टिकेट दिवचे ना.
हय. म्हाका क्लियोफात बाब सांगात, फायनल रावंड हाजे वयल्यान स्टार्ट करता. दीस इज अ व्हेरी, गोंया भितर सद्याक हांव एक वोटर म्हण चिंतता की गोंयकार म्हण चिंतता, इज अ व्हेरी फनी सिच्युएशन. बीजेपी भितर बीजेपी वर्सीस बीजेपी झगडी चालू आहात, काँग्रेसी भितर काँग्रेस वर्सीस काँग्रेस झगडी चालू आहात, आरजीपी भितर आरजीपी वर्सीस आरजीपी झगडी चालू आहात. हे कितें आमचे नशिबाक क्लियोफात बाब?
बीजेपी भितर बीजेपी फायट ना, बिकॉज इट इज अ व्हेरी ऑर्गनायज्ड पार्टी.
ती इलेक्शनां अफेक्ट जावपा ना म्हणटा तुमी?
ना, बिकॉज दे आर ऑर्गनायज्ड. आनीक द वन हू गोज आउट मे बी इवन टॉट अ लेसन. दे हॅव पॉवर विथ देम. And when power is there, it is difficult to get out. So according to me, BJP is a organized party. It is a election machinery. Congress is not organized. AAP has about 6% vote. RG vote has crashed, but still there is that resentment. Goa Forward is there. According to me, it is a responsibility of the Congress party as a principal opposition to present to the people a alternative which can defeat the BJP. And that is on Girish Chodankar.
That is the main agenda म्हणटा तुमी.
There is no other alternative, because in Goa we do not have a shining star who can get votes.
Yeah.
Congress does not have a organization, and that way they will have to again depend upon small shining stars in the constituencies.
Yeah, who can
present an alternative.
Yes.
The people will also have how the people will build trust in those people.
Yes.
Is for the party to show.
राधा बाब, तुमकां दिसता ही जेन्ना परिस्थिती हांवें एक्सप्लेन केली, त्या परिस्थिती भितर कितलोय जरी रिसेंटमेंट आसलो, कॅन देर बी एन ऑल्टरनेटिव्ह जाचे कडेन नॉन बीजेपी वोट्स ग्रेविटेट जातली?
Yes. You see, what the Congress is required to do is to do away the public perception. See, if you ask anyone in the villages, the public perception is that the Congress is selling assembly tickets. I am not saying they are actually selling. Public perception is that. I cannot say because I don't approve with me. All political parties keep whatever their private affairs under wraps, and no one can provide proof. But in politics, perception is important. And everyone believes that Congress tickets are largely sold. First thing is they have to do away with the perception. Now, how do you do it away? They have to start the process now and announce their candidate at least 60 days before the election. Because you ask anyone, see, the Congress always gives tickets on the last 2-3 days. There is complete this, who is getting it, this one is talking, that one is talking. The public believes that it is kept last because tickets are given in many constituencies to the highest bidder. This is the perception. So, to do away with that perception, the Congress must first go in the field and announce their candidate at least 60 days in advance. This would give the candidate enough time to go around, meeting people and explain things. And no one will then believe that ticket has been sold. At least perception would be less. Now, if this thing continues, the public continue to believe that tickets are being sold. And let me also say that a lot of people believe that Girish Chodhankar represents the High Command in collecting suitcases. This is the perception. Everybody, you can check anywhere. So that being the case, this perception has to be done away with. Let the Congress announce we are going to hold conventions in every constituency. Workers. The workers will shortlist candidate and only one of those two will get. If you just bring in like last time happened in Benauli or here and there, someone outsider and given ticket, public will believe tickets are sold.
Okay.
Please do away with this perception.
बरें म्हाका सिद्धार्थ भाऊ फायनल गजाल सांगा तांगेली सादी गजाल आसा की 1-2 म्हयने पयलीं कॅन्डिडेट डिक्लेअर करात तांकां टायम मेळणी हे जे सगळे आरोप जातात आपोआप बंद जातले आणि एटलिस्ट तांकां ग्राउंडार वचून काम करपाक मेळटलें इतले तरी काँग्रेस करतली
नाही डेफिनेटली हांव काँग्रेसी हातून हांव सांगपाक शकना पूण
नाही, पण तुमकां दिसता की हें करचें म्हणून?
नाही राधा बाबान म्हणला की 2 महिने पयलीं टिकेट जावची ते हांवूय मान्य करता कारण एक कॅन्डिडेट आसा जाल्यार गोंयचो जो 30-35 हजार मतदार आसता वोटर आसता तांकां वचून मेळप ते जे 28 दिसां भितर जायना इलेक्शन डिक्लेअर जातकर जे 28 दीस मेळटात तातूंत भितर ते शक्य जायना आनी सगळे कडेन पावप जायना वेरेज BJPचे ऑर्गनायझेशन स्ट्रॉंग आशिल्ले कारणान ते सगळे कडेन पावतात आनी टिकेट लास्ट मुमेंट दिल्यार पसून तांकां ते जिखोवपाक शक्य जाता पूण म्हाका दिसता काँग्रेसीन जर जे राधा भवन म्हणलां तें मान्य करता हांव 2 महिने पयलीं जर काँग्रेसीन डिसायड केलें जाल्यार काँग्रेसीकूच ते बऱ्या पडटले आनी डेफिनेटली कॅन्डिडेटाकूय जिखपाक बऱ्या पडटलें आनी जे परसेप्शन म्हणटा टिकेट विकल्या म्हणून हें कितें आसा राधा बाबा आयसान म्हाका दिसता KC-BC घेना बेकार आसता सो तो कितें करता फेसबुकार बरयता आनी तें बरयत रावता टिकेट विकल्या पूण आज पर्यंत कोणें सांगलां बाबा आपणे पयशे दिवन टिकेट घेतल्या म्हणून सांगपा जाय न्ही कोणें तरी जो मनीस फुटला ताणें तरी सांगपा आपणे घेतिल्ले कारण म्हाका याद आसा जेन्ना UGDPचो मिकी आशिल्लो तो गेलो तेन्ना ताणें म्हणिल्लो एक डायलॉग मारिल्लो राधा बाबा खबर आसतली चाव विकती घेतल्यार हें करपा जाता म्हणून सो तशें बी काय म्हणून
तुम्ही म्हणटात की पण राजा भावाचो मुद्दो हा की तुमगेलें परसेप्शन जे आसा ते चेंज जावपा जाय म्हण ते तुमी मान्य करनात
ना परसेप्शन राधा बाबा सारको मनीस तो घडोवपाचो प्रयत्न करता पूण ते कितें आसा ते जर खरें असलें जे ताणें म्हण तिकेट विक्रीचो प्रश्न हाडलो
4-5 जाण मुखार येता आशिल्ले म्हणून
हय येता आशिल्ले
ओके
हय
हांव इतल्याचेर थांबता कारण फायनली कशें आहा की एक गजाल सगळे जाण एग्री करतात की जर BJPक हरोवपाक जाय जाल्यार कठीण ना फॉर्म्युला खूब सादो आहा एक म्हळ्यार 1-to-1 फायट जावची पडटली ताजे खातीर अलायन्स जावची पडटली आनी हे जी अलायन्स आसा ती एटलिस्ट एक 3-4 म्हयने पयलीं जावन एक 2 म्हयन्या पयलीं लोकां मुखार काँग्रेसीचे आनी काँग्रेस अलायन्साचे कॅन्डिडेट्स डिक्लेअर जावन वचचे पडटले ते जर जाता जाल्यारच खंय तरी ही जी BJP आसा म्हणजे इलेक्शन मशिनरी ऑर्गनायझेशन आनी एक इंडिविज्युअल लिडर्स आज रती महारथी आसात तांकां टक्कर दिवप शक्य जातलें अशी न्ही की आमी कितें तरी एक अननोन फॉर्म्युला चिंततात नोन फॉर्म्युला आसा हो नोन फॉर्म्युला प्रॅक्टिसी भितर हाडप इम्प्लिमेंट करप शक्य जातलें काय कितें काँग्रेसीक गिरीश चोडणकराक हाजेर म्हाका दिसता फुडल्या इलेक्शनाचें भवितव्य आसा सो तें जातलें काय ना हाजेर आमी आनीकय चर्चा घडोवन हाडटले पण आज जेन्ना हो बोवाळ चल्ला तेन्ना सगळ्यो बाजू तुमच्या मुखार दवरपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आशिल्लो त्यो आमी दवरल्यात इतलेंच मानून चलता आनी थांबता सिद्धनाथ बाब राधा बाब क्लियोफा बाब थँक्स अ लॉट फॉर पार्टिसिपेटींग पवित्रवाद प्रुडंट नमस्कार